So agribusiness is big business in North Carolina, so is agritourism. And we're combining the two at the Tobacco Farm Museum. Now, tobacco's always been quite a big cash crop for the people in North Carolina ever since the colonists figured out that they could be profitable of selling tobacco to the English. And so we're visiting the museum to find out more about how tobacco is grown now and how it was grown back then and what life was like between the late 1800s and the 1950s.
This is the Browns head, and all of these buildings are 100 years old.
Pretty cool, hey? The Browns farmstead. And they used to grow some tobacco. Very cool.
Oh, this is where the tree fell.
So we're spending a couple of hours at Sunlight Farm in Kenley, and they've opened up their farm to everyone during fall season. You get to enjoy what's on the farm: corn mazes, giant slides, corn pool. I'm interested to see what that is. And you get to take a pumpkin home, which we love to do. We love fall. It's such a fun time. And in a county that is full of agribusiness and farms, there are lots of cool places where you can go and enjoy the festive fall pumpkin fun. Let's do it.
You're nearly
You're 4 foot. Hang on.
Mommy, I'm nearly 5 foot.
Wow, you're going to be tall.
No, wait, I don't want to be tall.
Being tall's good.
No, but what about being on airplanes? I have to get like business class.
Mama. Oh, Daddy's almost 6.
Am I 6 foot?
No, almost.
Set, go! Oh, neck and neck. Oh, Savannah's just pulling out in
This is
front.
hard because I'm bigger.
Savannah's going to take you right at the finish line.
This is the
Go, go, go! Oh, what a come from behind. Oh, that's cheating. Where are we going, girls?
Okay, it's adults against kids
For what?
for this. So the
What is
first,
this?
it's a corn maze. Where's the ending?
That, thanks, because of the bell.
Where's the ending? Well, the first team to get to the ending first wins. Okay. Me and Savannah are our team. You two are our team.
Go, Savannah, run.
Down like this.
Wait, I'm like, let's go.
Go.
You have to go too.
Yeah, I'm giving you a head start. You're going to need it. We have a slice of Americana truck life here with the Kenley 95 Petro. This is a very popular place for people to stop running along the I-95 because it runs from New York to Florida, which makes Johnson County a great place to stop over on your road trip and check out more in the county. But a lot of people come here, and it's not just a place to fuel up. There are lots of restaurants here, there's a retail space, and a friend of ours always tells us about some of the cool concerts and parties that happens here as well. The Bentonville Battlefields is another place to visit in Johnston County. It is a historic area on the Civil War trail. There was a very big and important battle that did happen here during the Civil War, and every year they have mini reenactments of that battle, and every couple of years they have like this huge one. It's something I've always wanted to go to but have never gotten a chance, so perhaps something for you to think about. But we're here today for the Fall Festival that is on, and there's a lot of Civil War education things happening here, a lot of games. We just learn about the needles that they used back then and Morse code, and there's a cool like baseball game happening behind me, so it's a pretty fun place. You can come here and check out the major sites of the battle as well at any time of the year. Doing the audio driving tour of the Bentonville Battlefields, and there's not much to see behind me, but this was known as the bullpen, called that because it was the fiercest fighting of the Bentonville battle, and so fierce that the surrounding woods caught on fire. Pretty crazy.
This is the Morris Farm, where part of the Union Corps arrived late in 1865 to stop the main Confederate assault, which had crushed Carlin's division of the corps at the coal plantation. Good craft beer, good snacks, family friendly. The kids had fun outside playing Jenga. That's a winner.
Like your barbecue, you want to head to Redneck Barbecue Lab. What a great name, by the way. But it is in Benton, and it's hard to believe it has only been in existence for just over a year, because it has won an incredible amount of awards, including a 3rd and 4th place at the very prestigious Kansas City Barbecue Awards, which even Craig and I know about. And if you don't know, North Carolina is very famous for a particular type of barbecue, mostly pulled pork. We're excited to be getting a tray full of different types of barbecue meat and testing out what makes this barbecue so award-worthy.